How to enable or disable side button, volume button or keyboard during interaction control on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, you want to first turn on the interaction control shortcuts. To do that, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. After that, scroll down and tap on interaction control. From here, tap on interaction control shortcut. And here there are two available shortcuts that you could use: press side and volume up buttons, or press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. Now I'm going to select press side and volume up buttons. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now open up an app that you would like to block with interaction control. So for example, if you want, you can open up YouTube, but I'm going to open up the Notes app. Then in here, I'm going to press on the side button and the volume up button to open up a shortcut menu. In this shortcut menu, I'm going to tap on interaction control. Now before we begin the interaction control, tap on options. Then here, go down to each of the items in the list and choose whether you want to turn on or turn off side button, volume button or keyboard. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key at the top here and then tap on done. And that's it. Now interaction control begins, and I can use the volume up key to adjust the volume. I believe the side button has been disabled, so if I press on it, nothing happens. And that's it. So I cannot bring up the keyboard because the whole screen is being blocked right now. So to deactivate interaction control, you can press on the side button and volume up button. So using both keys combinations. So simultaneously press on both keys to unlock or deactivate interaction control. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.